Just hear me out for 30 seconds if you really want to improve the way you perceive the world and people around you. So, today I want to talk about a particular situation where before we judge, we even can think and pause for a second and see the world in a very different manner. I'll tell you with simple example. कुछ टाइम पहले मैंने एक स्टोरी पढ़ी थी जिसके अंदर बेसिकली देयर वर पीपल ट्रैवलिंग इन मेट्रो और उसके अंदर एक आदमी था जिसके बच्चों ने मतलब पूरे मेट्रो के अंदर मतलब ऐसे तूफान मचा रखा था। ओके, सो एवरीवन लाइक मेट्रो में यही सोच रहा था यार, लाइक इसको अपने बच्चे संभालने नहीं आते, बिल्कुल भी कंट्रोल नहीं है, he is giving too polite behavior, or there is no proper treatment towards the kid, right? There is no proper parenting. Okay, ये सारी सिचुएशन चल रही थी एंड आई गेस आप या मैं भी होते उस मेट्रो के अंदर तो अपन यही सोचते, ठीक है, दैट ही इज नॉट अ गुड फादर इन दैट सेंस. सो बट बेसिकली व्हाट द सिचुएशन वाज, व्हाट द बैक स्टोरी वाज, कि he was troubling or like suffering with a lot of thought process and with a lot of pain because he just got a news that his mother has died. Okay, and he lives in a different state, because of which he was not able to comprehend all the thoughts how to take that particular pain, and it was too much of an emotional damage, right, in his own thought process in his mind. And at that point of time you can't even expect anyone to like take care of their surrounding or like control anything other than themselves. अगर वो खुद को भी संभाल लेते हैं उस टाइम पे, वो भी बहुत बड़ी बात है. So just by knowing this small fact you get to know that okay, things can actually have a major backstory as well. That is why we should always give the other person the benefit of doubt. So before judging or doing or thinking anything in this particular manner for anyone in the world, just think there can be a similar or such kind of a backstory that is the reason of their current behavior. That's all for today. Bye bye. And if you're liking the videos, keep sharing, keep liking, and keep commenting them, and drop a follow or subscribe. Bye bye.